What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video I'll be unboxing and installing the tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier, and this also works for the Samsung Galaxy Watch, which is newly launched by Samsung. Now this will fit both the 46mm S3 Frontier and the 46mm Galaxy Watch. Now if you wonder from where I bought this, I got this from AliExpress. This is a pack of two. So this is what we get inside the box: a pack of wet wipes and dry wipes, and a dust removal tool, and like a sticker, and we have two tempered glass. So of course I'll be using one and I'll be saving one for the future. So you can see this is how it looks. It fits perfectly into the watch. So we'll be using the wet wipe to completely clean the dust and debris on the screen of the watch. So once we are done using the wet wipe, we'll be using the dry wipe to remove excessive alcohol and the dust particles from the screen of the watch. And then we'll be using the guiding sticker. So once we peel off the guiding sticker, we'll apply it onto the tempered glass and just keep it aside for the time being, so that it becomes easy for us to apply the screen protector. We'll also be using the dust removal sticker to remove the excessive dust from the screen of the watch, and we'll remove the protective film from the tempered glass, and we'll remove the dust removal sticker with the final process of cleaning it, and then we'll be applying the tempered glass onto the screen of the watch. Now once you apply the guiding sticker, it becomes really easy for you to apply the screen guard. And see, it's done. You can't even notice that the screen guard is there on the watch. So I hope you like this video. Please do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, do subscribe, and thank you for watching. This is Aftab signing off. Peace out. Have a great day. Deuces.